So when I look at an earnings report for Twitter, I'm not looking at what did they do last year. I'm looking for clues as to, is their growth potential increasing or not? Are they doing the right things to create value from their growth assets? Most of the tools we have in finance were developed for mature companies. PE ratios, return on invested capital, things you're taught in business school. But if you have a growth company, you try to assess them using those tools, it's like using a hammer to do surgery. Think about it. That's going to be bloody and it's going to come to a bad end. It doesn't work. So one interesting thing you can do when you sit with a business is take the accounting balance sheet and contrast with a financial balance sheet. The younger a company, the less you will learn by looking at the accounting balance sheet, for a simple reason. If you haven't been around long, the accountant has nothing to record. So you look at a Twitter's balance sheet or LinkedIn's balance sheet, there isn't much there yet. Doesn't make them a bad companies, it just makes them different. And on the other side of the balance sheet, you got only two items, debt and equity. There are only two ways you can fund a business. You can borrow the money or use your own money. You can slice this and dice this as much as you want. You can call them bonds and stocks, but every business has to have that choice. And guess what? You tell me where the bulk of your value comes from. I'll tell you whether you should be funding your business with debt or equity. And think of what? Let's say you're a young growth business. How young? You're an idea business. You're Snapchat. No revenues yet, no earnings yet, plenty of potential. How should you fund your business? What's the problem with borrowing money to fund an idea business? If you tried paying interest with ideas, go to the banker and say, you know what, I have a lot of ideas. You can't make interest payments with ideas. If you're an idea business, this is Corporate Finance 101. Don't go looking for trouble.